Good day everyone. Today we will discuss flowcharts, their definition, how to make them, examples, importance, and the different types. Definition of flowchart.
What is flowchart? A flowchart is a diagram that represents a process step by step using shapes like ovals, rectangles, and diamonds, all connected by arrows. It helps simplify and clarify complex procedures visually.
How to create a flowchart? To create a flowchart, start by identifying the process and listen the steps in order. Use a strand symbol, oval for start, endpoints, rectangle for action, and diamond for decision. Then connect them with arrow. Arrange the steps clearly and review to ensure the flow is easy to follow.
Example of flowcharts. Flowchart can illustrate disaster, preparedness plans, daily routine, or any process that requires a planning and sequence. They provide information to people and can also aid communication in complex situations.
Importance and purpose of flowcharts. Flowcharts are valuable because they simplify processes, making them easier to understand and reducing confusion. They assist in planning and problem solving by visualizing the entire process and serve as teaching tools to explain workflows or instructions, whether in school, business, or at home. Flowcharts save time and make communication clearer.
Types of flowcharts. There are several types of flowcharts, each serving a distinct purpose. First, process flowchart shows the sequence of steps in a process. Second, workflow flowchart illustrates how tasks move between people or groups. Third, decision flowchart highlights choices and possible outcomes. And last, system flowchart used in computing to show how data flows through a system.
Conclusion. In conclusion, a flowchart is a powerful visual tool that helps us understand, plan, and explain processes. By using clear shapes and arrows, even complex ideas can be made simple and easy to follow.
And that is our introduction to flowcharts. We are group number 7 and thank you for listening.